Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Yamaha YZFR1. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 18,701 miles and passes New York State inspection. It should be noted that in New Hampshire this bike would fail because of its turn signals, but in New York this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the lower fairing, a scratch on the mirror housing, a tear on the passenger seat, and scuffs on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS. It's been upgraded with frame sliders, levers, inner fairing inserts, a tank pad, a tinted windshield, LED headlights, integrated LED rear turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, flush mount LED front turn signals, a GoPro mount, and Akrapovic slip-on mufflers. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.